Hi, folks. This is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another review. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment on the show. We certainly appreciate the support of the show if you would. This is from JBL.com. We've reviewed a ton of products from JBL. Go to JBL.com. You can see this. It's the JBL Quantum 600. It's a wireless over-ear performance gaming headset with surround sound and game chat balance dial. Right now, it's currently looks like it's marked down on sale on their website at $129.95. From $149, it's marked down. So, hey, great deal there. What are you going to say about that? You can live the game as you play with JBL Quantum Surround and DTS. Basically, it simulates stunning multi-channel audio to create an incredibly realistic spatial soundstage for cinematic levels of immersion and true audio edge over the competition. It's also equipped with DTS Headphone X version 2.0. And it's got some pretty good algorithms that are built into it to get that multi-channel audio. And it has lossless 2.4 gigahertz wireless in its headset. So you don't have to sit there and be wired to your computer the whole time, which makes it pretty freaking sweet. And it should give you a 14-hour max battery life as well. It's durable, lightweight, lets you play longer. You can be heard with the voice focus flip up boom mic, so you can flip it down, flip it up, depending upon whether you want to use it or not. You can switch between all your favorite platforms, whether you're using a PC, PS4, Mac, and VR. It's compatible with 3.5 millimeter audio jack on the PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac, and VR. And you can use the JBL Quantum Surround on the PC. That's what it's designed for. It's actually some software you can take and download from their website so you can take and tweak this baby in. So lots of great features. Wireless, quantum surround sound, quantum engine PC software for customization. It's got plus 2.4 gigahertz wireless, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz frequency response. I think you're going to freaking love it. Type-C to Type-A charging cable, US wireless dongle, a windshield foam for the microphone. I got to tell you, we got a chance to try this out, test it, give it its run. It's really inexpensive, and it works great for giving you that beautiful JBL sound that you're going to find in your gaming. Nice highs, wonderful mids, and good bass for you. And then plus, it's great to talk through and everything else. It's really going to take your gaming to the next level, and I got to tell you, I love JBL sound. So go to JBL.com, check out JBL Quantum 600, and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.